Crypto Billionaires Season 8 coming back at you guys with another in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon to Mars and the overall market. So, excuse me, let's get straight into the video. We have been through a lot recently and there's a lot to talk about. So, the market cap of the overall crypto market is at 2.7 trillion. Bitcoin dipped below that 90K, currently hitting 84,000, almost 85,000. We saw a dip below 80,000 for a brief second there. Ethereum is down to 2,189. And Solana is at 140. So everything's dipping a little bit right now, but there is some good news. So hang in there. Let's go to Elon and see where Dogelon to Mars is. Dogelon to Mars in the past day is down 3%. In the past month, we've seen it dip almost 50%. Now, keep in mind, this is after we saw that 200% pump. Okay? So, if you guys have been following the videos and you took profits around here, it's dope. However, we have seen a nice little 50% retracement in the past month, 22% retracement in the past year. But there's good news, and I'll show you that good news very soon. The market cap of Dogelon to Mars is currently at 82 million, which is very, very nice to see. Around here, it was, around that $200 million market cap. It touched up there for a second and then started dipping again. So let's get into the good news. We'll start with good news first. If we go over here to the crypto fear and greed index, we can see it is all the way down here at this 20 level. Okay, so normally when it gets down to around these 20s, it indicates that a low is coming in. All right. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Historically, okay? Historically, there can be black swan events to where the crypto market just tanks and continues to tank and tank and tank. However, historically, whenever crypto gets around this 20 level, it is a low. Okay? Keep that in mind. And Dogelon to Mars is also coming down to these previous resistance levels. Support levels around these 15, 16 levels with 6 zeros. And, so let's keep that in mind. Fear and Greed Index is hitting 20. It's hitting support, major support. Almost nearing an all-time low again. So, there's two things that can happen in my mind. If this continues to dip and go down, then there's seriously something huge that's happening that is threatening the entire crypto market. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. However, if it continues to if it starts to bounce off of these 15, 16 levels into these 1197 levels, this little range right here, then that is normal behavior and we shouldn't be alarmed. So at this point in time currently, what I'm doing personally is I've just been continuing to average more in as it dips below this 100 million mark, because my average was around the $100 million market cap level. So in my portfolio, I'm getting a deal whenever it dips below that, and I can move my average down to when it spikes again, as we saw here. Those profits will be very, very juicy. So a lot of you guys are holding around this level, so just keep in mind, crypto is very turbulent, and it does happen to come down to these levels. Sometimes it might hit your break even or go even below it. Okay, but if you believe in coin and you use technical analysis and look for the signs like a bounce, then yeah, you can become profitable. However, I'm going to be keeping a very close eye on this in the future, because I think there's a lot of uncertainty going on at this current point in time. Not getting into politics or anything, but yeah. So once that uncertainty clears up, we could be off to the races. We could be absolutely blowing the crypto markets out the water. But the main thing right now is just simple uncertainty. So once that's cleared up, I think we could be looking very, very juicy. We could be looking at some juicy gains, and right now is an opportunity to start averaging in or continue averaging in as we dip. So crypto being at 69, if you guys want a free consultation call, call me at 850-368-8796. And if I don't answer, just leave your name and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69. Stay strong, guys. Be patient. I love you guys. Out.